Alrighty, we are doing the pause table now. There are 3 steps. Going onto the pause table, sitting or lying down and waiting on the pause table, and then coming down from the pause table. Those are the 3 steps that are in this obstacle. So first we'll do the get up. You should already have your cat to be trained to sit and lie down if you want to do this obstacle. And then after that it's the coming down part, which seems for some reason to be the hardest part for my cat. So, alright, so here we go. So we take our trusty target stick, up, sit, wait, down, down. See, hardest part's coming down. I don't get that. If you have to throw a treat down, that's fine. Yay! Second time's better be better. Better than up. Okay, so that's with the target. Without the target, it's like this. Okay, so we just came off a jump. We're blazing full speed. Full speed, full speed, full speed. We sit. Sit. Focus here. And we jump. Yes. We go back full speed. We go up. Puffy. Go on. Okay. We go up. No, you don't go up. We sit. We wait. We go down. Good girl. Why are you waiting? Come on, go. Hey, no. That is bad. We do not wait. We do not sit. We do not wait. Up, please. Go on. So that was a great example of something you have to correct. Can you go? Sit. Sit down. Wait. Wait. Good. And that is the table. If you have questions, leave a comment.